Here I was using a Mia Secret acrylic, well, the clear acrylic, and I'll let you know, I always start at the baby finger because the baby fingers are smarter, and I used to always have a hard time doing my baby fingers after I get through with the first fingers. So I start off with baby fingers, and now it's getting to look so cute. I guess my fingers was tired from the other fingers. But anyway, I done got amazed with this Mia Secret acrylic because it doesn't. I mean, once you put the monomer in there, it clings on to the polish. I mean, it don't drip, or you know what I'm saying. Don't leave them little knots and clumps up in there like the old acrylic I was getting. So I guess you pay for luxury, huh? Back to the video. Here you see I was cleaning my brush out to get that acrylic out of there, because once it dried, it'll mess up your brush. So I just dip it in the monomer, then I wipe it out, and then I keep wiping it out, till it soon come out. Back to the video. This drill bit is small, but I really like it because it goes up in the critical like it should, and on the sides like it should, and it's very small, but it's a coarse bit, but and you can get cut off this one. But yeah, it goes right up under the criticals and clear that up, and so that way you have your nice curve, a nice curve in a 8-pack. Yeah, back to the video. Now after I've used the e-file, now I have to still file up my sides, my ends and stuff. So I'm using a regular file, a 100 over 180 grid. So enjoy the video. Here I have the coarse 80 over 80 buffer, which was too much, and it was very strong and it did do the work, but it was kind of too heavy. So I got that at Amazon for, I forgot how much, but they at Amazon. And this is my brush I got at Amazon as well. Enjoy the video. Here I use the alcohol pads because once you do all that filing, some of the, you can either go over and wash it off, or I just use the alcohol pad, and it works both ways. But some soap is too. This is a beige nail polish. I think I liked the polish and it went well with my design. So that's why I was gonna do one color, then I wanted, but this color is really nice and it set the nails off. Enjoy. This is something I use. You put a lot of different fingernail polish remover together, and I put me a what's the name? A brush in there, a nice little brush, so it can go around wherever the polish landed up. It might be on the sides or in the back over the cuticle, you know. So you have to be really careful how you put that in. I don't know why I always have a problem with fingernail polishing. That's crazy. Back to the video. Here I would be using the base coat as a glue, because sometimes it works as a glue. That's why when I working with any stones, if I don't have, either I use glue or maybe, but I like using the base coat better than the regular glue. Only for the stones. So what? Yeah, those are some beautiful stones, boy. Oh, I thought they were so cute. But continue watching. this is the top coat that I use. Once you put that, that's the finishing touch, the top coat. Once you put that on, it brings everything out. It brings that shine out. It brings your stones out. Any kind of designs that you have on your nails, it brings it all out. And I love that top coat. I buy more top coat base, and I do clear acrylic, and that's it. I don't do that color stuff, even though I have some, but I don't do it. So here's the finishing results. I hope y'all like them. They are so pretty. Oh my God, look at those stones. They're so pretty. Oh, look at that. I'm proud of myself. I am so proud of myself. Because, I mean, I just thought I was going to never get it. I still got a little bit more to go. But for to do this, look at that. That is so pretty. So pretty. Thank you for my video. If you like, subscribe, share, and comment. Put the comments down below. And thank you so much. Bye-bye.